Hello everyone, my name is Jerry Balderas, also known as TradeBotCash, and I want to cover the first weekly update of the infinite money glitch. This is our submission for the Cypherpunk online hackathon, and I just wanted to cover a few updates with you. So what is IMG? IMG is a revolutionary DeFi token on Solana. There is no staking required to earn rewards, and SOL rewards are distributed based on holder IMG balances. So the concept is simple. You hold IMG and you get SOL. And to the right, we have an example image of a phantom wallet of a holder actually getting SOL distributed to them. So why IMG? IMG uses the Solana token 2022 protocol or extensions, I mean. It has a 5% transfer fee, so it is a self-sustaining reward system. We want to build a real-time audit dashboard. We want to build a notification system that tracks the reward wallet, and if there's any unrecognizable transactions or anything not planned by the system, we want to notify via Telegram to the community. And our goal basically is to have radical visibility for the community so that they have a platform that they can truly trust. Um, Part of the updates is our DevOps update. We created a CI/CD pipeline using GitHub Actions, and we have created our UAT environment. On top of that, we minted a new IMG token on the Solana DevNet, and we created a IMG liquidity pool for Radium on the Solana DevNet as well. Our goal with the UAT environment is primarily for stress testing. We want to ensure that we can test all new features thoroughly before releasing to the mainnet. As part of our code updates, we set up the scaffolding for our allocation process. That includes generating the snapshot, uh, which includes the IMG balances of all holders, harvesting the IMG, swapping that IMG for SOL, and then taking that SOL and allocating rewards to all of the holders. We then have a reconciliation phase, which scans the rewards wallet to ensure that everything was executed properly and to ensure, again, that there aren't any untracked transactions. We also set up the scaffolding for our distribution process. This includes sending out, so once you allocate, the first process is allocating the rewards. The second process is actually distributing them. And we do that through bulk transfers. So we'll send 20 holders their rewards at one time. Our next code update is we are nearing the completion of the reconciliation service. So this is the service that scans the rewards wallet and then notifies if there's anything unbecoming. And then also we implemented key methods to interact with the Solana blockchain. So we've implemented swap, get signatures for address, get transaction data, and get token supply. These are all methods that are paramount in implementing the other processes I mentioned earlier. And on top of this, we have 100% code coverage. So this is a labor of love for us, and we want to make sure that we have high quality code and coverage to ensure that we can add further features easily, or we can add new features easily in the future. So our goals are to implement the allocation process. We want to complete the harvesting step with retry logic. We want to complete the swap step with retry logic, and then we want to complete the allocation step. Like I said before, we just had the scaffolding, so we want to flesh it out. The same thing with the distribution process, uh, flesh that out. After we do that, we then want to create a botnet to simulate and stress test on the devnet. So we want to create a botnet of about 100,000 wallets, and we're going to write simulation software that uh, forces these wallets to either do random swaps or transfers to other wallets. And while we're doing that, the software will then be tracking what the rewards should be for those transactions. Um, and then what we do is we then compare with the actual distributions to ensure that the distribution software is working properly. On top of that, we also want to complete the dashboard. So the dashboard, the real-time audit dashboard, is going to allow a user to look at their wallet history and also to be able to look at the snapshot history as well. This allows blockchain sleuths to go in and ensure that the platform is working properly. And then once all that is done, we'll then be able to deploy to the Solana mainnet. So I want to say thank you. That's our weekly update. I want to say thank you for your time. We're very excited about the project, and I will see you guys again next week. If you guys want to get a hold of me, I'm on X and on Telegram, and my username is TradeBotCash. Thank you.